Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. My name is Rica, and I garden in Zone 5A. Today, I just want to give you an update of our tiny backyard garden. The weather is very nice. It's sunny, and it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and we'll see what's going on here in the tiny backyard garden. There's a lot of things or plants that are blooming now, and some are just getting ready, so I'd like to share that with you. Look at this beautiful lily that I just added in the garden. I really like the color of this lily. I will leave the name of this lily on the screen. I forgot what it is, but this is the first bloom. I just planted this spring, and it's a nice addition in the garden. The hydrangea are doing well. This hydrangea here is about 2 years old, but I never see a bloom yet. So hopefully this year we'll have a bloom. And we have the clematis that are blooming in here. This is called Toki clematis. I planted this last year and I'm amazed with the result. It's full bloom. And we just added this rose. This is called Generous Gardener from David Austin. This is the old bud. I'm just gonna do this quickly. And this rose smells amazing. So if you remember, I have a Westerland rose in these trailers. So we took it down, and I'm replacing it with a Generous Gardener rose, and this rose hopefully will fill these trailers. And I have another rose right here that is ready to bloom. This is Captain Samuel Holland from Explorer series. And look at that, there's so many blooms. I think maybe in a couple of days we're going to see a lot of blooms of this rose. All the dahlia right here in container are doing amazing. And they are, yeah, we're going to have some flowers soon. I heard some robins having a splash on the bird bath, but we'll let it do its own thing and we'll see it later if it's still there. Alright, so let's continue right here. The Kiss Me Kate is getting ready as well to bloom. This is new to the garden too. I just planted this rose this spring, and my plan is for it to climb all the way right here in the front of the deck. So we'll see. Another dahlia that I have right here, and it's getting ready to bloom as well. And this is another bird bath that we have right here that now the birds is loving it. In front of it we have the Jens Monk rose. Look how pretty it is. This rose is winter hardy. So if you live in a in the cold climate place, this is a good recommendation. There's so many blooms right there. And right beside it we have the James Galloway from David Austin, and it's budding as well. and it grows all the way up there. This is 1 year old rose. Now let's see the lumbered claws. And the lumbered claws is a winter hardy as well. It's a shrub rose. Look, it just opened. So pretty. The color of it, it's similar to the Jen's monk. It's not, let's see all the bloom right here. So we're going to have a lot of blooms soon. Now I want to show you the modern blush. Look at the modern blush. It's so beautiful. I love the color of this rose. This is new to the garden as well. I just planted it this spring. Look at that. They're in clusters. So beautiful. Nice. And oh wow, the Crown Princess Margarita is getting ready to bloom as well. You see right here? Wow, I can't wait to see the bloom of the Crown Princess Margarita. That's very nice. Now, you guys can help me ID this rose. I bought this last year and the label says Modern Blush. But the other Modern Blush that I just showed you just now, that's the Modern Blush that I know. It's a bit pink. It is a bit pink and peachy color, but this one is white. So I'm not really sure if this is a Modern Blush white color. I'm not sure. Anybody knows the name of this rose? Is this a Modern Blush that is in white color, or it has a different name on it? I am really curious about this rose. But this rose is very, very healthy. I just planted this last year and look how much it blooms. So it just started to bloom and it looks really, really nice. And then I have one rose that I planted here last year as well, but this one, it's a bit slow. This is Queen Elizabeth. I planted it last year, but the growth is very slow, so we'll see what happens. Right here on the arbor, we have the new dawn rose that are having so many buds, and it's ready to bloom as well. And this beautiful clematis here, and I really like to share this with you. That is a very pretty clematis. I was trying to find another one that like this, but I couldn't find it anymore. The name of it is Hakuokan. It's so pretty. And this is going to climb all the way to the top of this arbor. And by the way, I have the Westerland in here before, and we cut it down all the way to the ground, and now it's starting to grow. So that's the Westerland that I have here. So hopefully it will do well because it was so unhealthy. This verbena is so prolific. Look at that. And there's more blooms to come right there. So beautiful. Yeah. All the flowers in the containers. I am excited for it to fill the container and will be full of blooms. I want to oh, look at this, so pretty. Look at this. There's another one right here. The bloom is so beautiful. So if you know the name of this rose, if it is a more than blush white, you can leave the message on the comment section. I'll be really happy to ID this rose. And then we have the Perfuma Earth Angel. This is the old bloom. So this is new to the garden as well. Just planted it a few, well, we'll say it's spring. So this is the old bloom. I'll show you how the bloom looks earlier. The Eden is starting to open. Look at this. There's so many bloom on the top. So this Eden rose is new as well. The plan is for it to grow on this arch. So this is new addition to the garden. So we'll see what happened. Because we are in zone 5A, the Eden is zone 5. So I think I have to protect it in the winter. And then we have the David Austin Lynchfield Angel. That's so pretty, and it's ready to bloom as well. So I'm so excited to see all the blooms of my roses, because before planting roses, I am terrified to have a roses in the garden, because I'm saying I'm scared on how to take care of it, because I heard so many story about it, the disease, insects that loves it. But you know what? When I planted one rose, I just started from one rose, and then after that, I want more, another more, and another more. Now I have at least, I think, 16 roses in the garden. So I'm still new to roses. I'm still learning about how to take care of them. But I'm so in love with their blooms. They're just so beautiful. And I have a lot of perennials here as well. And I'm just excited to see all of them blooms. Oh, did I show you the HF Young Clamaris? This has been blooming for a week now, and it's 2 weeks, and it's finishing. So I'm going to cut this so that it will bloom later on. And this is the Nelly Moser. It's finishing as well. It's bloom. So yeah, it's ready to cut. I'm ready to cut the this one right here, so that it will continue to bloom for the rest of the season. I mean later on. The lilies are doing really good. And oh my gosh, my peonies are opening. Let's see, look at the peonies. They're so cute. Look, there's one that's open. Let's see. Oh, it's far away. I'm trying to reach it. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Wow. So in about a week, I think, all the roses will open up and the peonies, and we will have another tour or update on how they are doing. So I think that's all for today. Just want to give you a quick update. So far, I'm really excited with all the roses that's going to bloom soon, and I'm excited as well to share it with you. So have a good day, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Bye for now.